from HEYNER UK. Today we're gonna change wiper blades on this Vauxhall Corsa. That's model E, produced between 2014 and 2019. First we're gonna remove wiper blade on the driver's side. I will leave that wiper. Normally you've got 2 pins. You pinch here and you can release the wiper. This type you need to push that and you can release the wiper. I will put the arm down. I will use the cloth to protect the screen. This car takes wiper blade size 26" on the driver side and 16 on the passenger side. First we're gonna change driver side. Got HEYNER hybrid wiper blades here. We're gonna use that. To fit that on this model we need a pinch tab adapter. That's the pair here. If you order that online you should get them together with wiper blades. So first we're gonna fit that adapter on the wiper arm. To do that we see these little arrows. We will push that little bit and we're gonna be able to place top first, and then to open a little bit more, and then we can lock it. Now you can see there's a gap here. We can put the wiper blade, and now we need to click it on and it's all ready. Now I'm going to remove red plastic cover and driver side is ready. Okay, again the same procedure on the passenger side. First we're going to remove wiper blade. I said different manufacturers use different type of fitting. Okay, now we're gonna once again open the adapter, place it down here, lock it on the wiper arm, and then we can attach it to the adapter. Okay, click, remove that. Yeah, please to remove the leaves before you use your new wipers. And if that video helps you to change your wiper blades, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.